You are welcome. How to make natural pineapple fruit juice. First, buy your pineapple from any supermarket available to you or any jom. If the pineapple is not ripe, let it stay in the kitchen for maybe 3 days or 1 week. The more it's ripe, the more the sugar content comes in. When keeping the pineapple for 3 days or 1 week, keep it in a warm place or where sun can shine on it. We are going to need sieve, water, glass, blender, and knife. We are going to peel off the back of the pineapple. It has come to my notice that some people have been cooking the back of the pineapple as medicinal liquid. It is good, or it used to be good, when pineapple was grown organically or naturally. Before you cook any pineapple back, please make sure you know where your pineapple is coming from or was grown. Otherwise, you are going to cook and drink fertilization and chemicalization. So, after peeling the back of the pineapple, cut it into small pieces and put it in the blender, either with your hands or with rubber tray. Because we are not going to use any artificial sugar, we are going to add only 1 glass of water. This glass is small, not big. And then we are going to blend it smoothly or fico. Pineapple has a lot of vitamin C, which boosts your immune system to fight against any foreign diseases. After blending it, pour all into the sieve. Green pineapple normally doesn't taste nice. After pouring it, cover it and leave it for 15 minutes. Don't touch it. If you want to go to the market, please go and come. I only blended half of the pineapple. The rest is for tomorrow. Judith Sewa Kitchen Mechiao. So after letting it to rest for about 15 minutes, all the juice has been extracted without touching it. So all the natural juice has been extracted into the bowl. Kama. So after this, we are going to do justice to it. After pouring it into your glass, you can enjoy it sour, or you can enjoy it with kuli or awiesum or mansa. The choice is yours. Thank you for watching Safu Bafo. Bye bye. Please subscribe, like, comment. Hope to see you again. Special thanks to Kofi Amwa Farms Company Limited and Lashes Skin and Care Products.